Samsung officially announced their latest flagship phone, the Galaxy S24, less than a week ago. Since then, consumers have been curious about whether it's worth purchasing. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models are set to be available for sale on January 31. Even before their release, various tests are being conducted on these new phones to evaluate aspects such as performance, battery life, camera quality, and more. Initial tests on the Galaxy S24 Ultra have uncovered some issues. For instance, the camera performance is not always reliable, and the picture quality drops when zooming in more than 10x, especially when compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Additionally, despite having a 1.9 times larger vapor chamber designed to cool down the new Snapdragon chip, the Ultra model experiences significant thermal throttling when used intensely for extended periods. Interestingly, this overheating issue is not present in the Exynos-powered Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models. It appears that many experts and reviewers haven't got their hands on the final retail versions of the new Galaxy S series, which might be why some issues are being reported. The good news is that Samsung seems to be aware of the need for software updates to ensure their latest Galaxy S flagship lineup performs at its best. The company is planning to release the first of these updates later this week. Max Jamore from All About Samsung has reported that Samsung plans to release an update for the Galaxy S24 series on January 23. This update aims to enhance performance and improve camera functionalities. It's expected that this update will already be installed on the retail units that customers will receive in the upcoming days. If not, it should be available for download right away when customers start using their new phones. Since the Galaxy S24 series, particularly the Ultra model, features several significant upgrades and was launched earlier than usual, Samsung might need to roll out more than one software update to ensure the new devices function as intended. This is a common practice to fine-tune and enhance the performance of newly released smartphones. Every time a new top-model Galaxy phone is released, specialists conduct various tests on it. Among these, the drop tests, where the phone is intentionally dropped to check its durability, are the most intense. The first drop test for the Galaxy S24 Ultra has just been posted on the YouTube channel PPK Reviews. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a new look with a titanium frame and a flat screen. This screen is covered with a new type of Gorilla Glass called Armor, which is much better at avoiding scratches, 4 times better than other similar glasses. It also doesn't reflect light as much, 75% less than older versions of Gorilla Glass, like the Victus 2, which is used on the back of the S24 Ultra. In theory, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to handle falls and scratches well. However, in actual tests, the results were mixed. The titanium frame did a great job at resisting scratches, but when the phone was dropped face down from the height of a waist, the screen got a small crack right away. After more drops, the screen of the phone got another crack, but it still worked fine. The cracks were small, showing that having a flat screen without curved edges helps protect it better when it falls. Interestingly, the back of the phone didn't get damaged at all. There were no cracks on the back panel or the camera lenses. However, it looks like the phone only fell on its back once during the whole test, so this might not be the best way to judge how strong the backside of the S24 Ultra really is. It's going to be intriguing to see how well the Galaxy S24 Ultra, especially with its titanium frame, stands up to the tough tests by Jerry Rate Everything, which are known for being really hard on phones. Regardless of how it performs, it's always smart to use a phone case. A case can save you from expensive repairs for the glass or screen on the phone, and it can also keep the phone in better condition for higher resale value if you choose to sell it later. The Galaxy S24 series comes with an updated version of the One UI software. It's anticipated that older Galaxy devices will begin receiving this new software update in the near future. We had earlier shared that the Galaxy S23, Galaxy Z Fold 5, and Galaxy Z Flip 5 would be among the first to get the One UI 6.1 update in the first quarter of 2024. Now, additional details about Samsung's plans for One UI 6.1 seem to have been revealed in a post on the Samsung community. A translated image of a comment by a Samsung moderator on their community forums suggests that Samsung plans to roll out the One UI 6.1 update for several Galaxy devices in the first half of 2024. The devices expected to receive the One UI 6.1 update by the second half of 2024 include Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra, Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, Galaxy S22 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Indirectly, a Samsung moderator confirmed that the mentioned phones will not get the One UI 6.1 updates before March. To be more precise, the moderator stated that the Galaxy S23 series will get at least one more One UI 6.0 security update before upgrading to One UI 6.1. This upcoming One UI 6.0 patch is scheduled to be released in mid-February. It's important to mention that other Galaxy phones have been seen on Samsung servers using test versions of One UI 6.1. This includes devices like the Galaxy Z Flip and Fold 4, Galaxy S21 FE, and the Galaxy S24 and S34. These models are also expected to receive the One UI 6.1 update, although it might happen later than the first half of 2024. If you are thinking about purchasing the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can click on View Product button and enjoy amazing deals. Caviar, a Russian company known for creating luxury products, has just launched a special edition version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This exclusive collection, named the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Caviar Era of the Dragon series, includes 3 uniquely customized S24 Ultra smartphones. These special models feature bodies coated in titanium, distinct patterns, and various decorative elements, including 24-karat gold. The standout model in this series is the Yang version, which features a fully functional mechanical watch on the back of the phone, blending luxury with practicality. Surrounding this elegantly crafted watch, there is also a gold dragon design, adding to its luxurious appeal. The Yang model is being sold for $15,000. In addition to this, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been released in several Zodiac-themed models, including Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, and Taurus. Each Zodiac sign will have 99 units available. These Zodiac models are slightly more accessible but still carry a high price tag of $9,000 each.
Samsung Galaxy AI.
Now let's discuss all the Samsung's new Galaxy artificial intelligence features. Live Translate and Interpreter. The Galaxy S24 series boasts the notable Live Translate feature, unveiled by Samsung a month prior. It utilizes artificial intelligence to provide real-time translation during phone calls, enhancing communication on the device. 2. Then we have Chat Assist. Samsung's keyboard includes Chat Assist, featuring chat translation for in-app message translation, writing style for altering text tone and style, and advanced spelling and grammar for enhanced spell check, all powered by the keyboard and processed on device. 3. Note Assist. The Samsung Notes app now includes Note Assist, which allows for interactive note modifications such as generating summaries or formatting notes for different use cases. 4. Transcript Assist. Samsung's voice recorder app features Transcript Assist, which transcribes recordings into text, identifies speakers, and offers translation or summarization options. Similar to Google's Recorder on Pixel, it lacks real-time transcription capabilities. 5. Generative Edit and Suggestions. Samsung introduces camera artificial intelligence features in the Galaxy series, including Generative Edit and the Gallery app for object manipulation in photos using Google's Imagen 2 technology, similar to Google Pixel's Magic Editor. Edit Suggestions offers automatic photo edit recommendations akin to Google Photos, activated by the Info button. Additionally, artificial intelligence enhancements and hardware upgrades enhance nightography for improved night photography. 6. Circle to Search. Google's Circle to Search, launching on both Galaxy S24 and Pixel 8, is activated by a long press of the home button or gesture bar. It allows users to search for things using Lens in any app by simply circling the item of interest. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.